What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and ship from eBay to Nigeria. So first you need to head over to eBay and then log in with your account. And after that, here at the top search bar, you need to click and search for the product that you want. And after that, when you have searched for the product that you want, on the left side, you just need to hover to filters and then scroll on a bit, and then here in this shipping and pickup section, you need to click on free international shipping. After that, this will refresh and then filter it according to the filter that you have chosen. And from here on the right side, you can see the shipping to options in this blue. Click on that, and after clicking on that, here in the select country, click on this once and then search for Nigeria. As you can see here, I have came to the end and here is Nigeria. Click on this and then click on apply. After that, you need to enter your particular zip code and then this will supply to Nigeria. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.